Hello everyone and welcome to our AWS Monthly Cloud series. So in today's video, we're going to look at the latest features and updates from AWS, focusing on the key highlights from the month of August. So as always, there are a lot of updates from AWS last month, but we have selected some of them that you may find particularly useful. So without any further delay, let's get started. For our first update, we have AWS CodePipeline, which now supports multi-stage conditions. So with this new update, teams can enforce quality and compliance check before a pipeline is moved in or out of a stage. You can also set conditions to ensure all actions in a stage complete successfully, or even halt the pipeline if any action fails. Conditions can be configured via the console, API, CloudFormation, or even SDK. So customers can create multiple rules, for example, checking the status of an Amazon CloudWatch alarm, ensuring that the deployment is happening in a designated time window, or even perform custom checks using an AWS Lambda function. And if any rules within the condition fails, it will trigger actions like rolling back changes or even stopping the pipeline. Additionally, if a condition blocks the pipeline, customers have the option to override it, allowing the pipeline to proceed. So this feature is available in all AWS CodePipeline supported regions, and for more details, you can check out their official documentation page. So for our next update, we have Amazon S3, which has introduced a significant billing change. So from now on, unauthorized requests that the customers did not initiate are free of charge. So this means that the bucket owners will no longer incur requests or even bandwidth charges for HTTP 403, which is an access denied errors, if these requests originate from outside their AWS account or even their AWS organizations. So this change, first announced on May 13, is now in effect across all S3 APIs in every AWS regions, including AWS GovCloud and AWS China regions as well. So obviously this is a very significant change because it simplifies the billing process and also it reduces the cost for bucket owners, requiring no significant changes to the customer applications. And for more details, you can visit the billing for Amazon S3 error response page. And for our next update, we're still staying with Amazon S3, which now supports conditional writes. So this new feature allows you to check for the existence of an object before creating it. This new feature helps prevent applications from accidentally overwriting the existing objects while uploading it. So conditional writes can be performed using the put object or complete multi-part upload API request, both in general purpose and directory bucket. Now this capability simplifies the distributed applications by allowing multiple clients to update the data concurrently without the risk of overwriting each other's work. It also eliminates the need for extra checks or client-side coordination, improving both performance and efficiency, especially for large-scale analytics and machine learning workloads. So to use this feature, you can simply add the HTTP if non-match conditional header to your put object and complete multi-part upload API requests. This feature is available with no additional cost in all the AWS regions, including AWS GovCloud and AWS China regions. And to implement this feature, you can use the AWS SDK, API, or CLI as well. And for more details, you can check out the AWS S3 user guide. And for our next update, Amazon OpenSearch Service now supports AWS Graviton 3 instances, which actually offers up to 25% better performance than the Graviton 2 based instances. The new instance type includes compute optimize, memory optimize, and general purpose options. You can easily upgrade your domain to these new instances through the OpenSearch Service console or APIs. So AWS Graviton 3 processors are custom designed to deliver the best price performance for Amazon EC2 workloads, featuring up to 30 Gbps of enhanced networking bandwidth and up to 20 Gbps of bandwidth to Amazon EBS. Now, these instances support all OpenSearch versions, and it also supports Elasticsearch version 7.9 and 7.10, which are available in all 21 regions globally. And for more information on region-specific availability and pricing, you can check out their pricing page. And to learn more about Amazon OpenSearch Service, you can check out their product page as well. And for our last update for this video, we have AWS WAF, which has enhanced rate-based rules to support low rate limits. With this new update, you can now configure rate-based rules with thresholds as low as 10 requests per evaluation window, down from the previous minimum of 100 requests. So this new improvement allows for more precise control over the traffic, which can actually help you to detect and mitigate traffic spikes or even malicious activity targeting sensitive applications and APIs. To use this feature, set the rate limit to any value between 10 and 100 when configuring your rate-based rules. Existing rules will remain unchanged, and you can simply edit your rule to select a lower threshold and save it. So this feature is available at no additional cost beyond the standard AWS WAF pricing. It's also accessible in all AWS commercial regions except some of them that you can find out in this news blog, which will be linked down below. And for more details, you can visit the AWS WAF pricing page and also AWS WAF developer guide. So these are all the updates that we have for you today. And for more in-depth details about these updates, you can check out the AWS news blog, which will be linked down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you stay updated with all the latest news and updates in AWS. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.